6:43 this morning. The bulk of the rain off to our north and east, hugging the east coast right now. A little wave of low pressure pushing things along there. If you drew a rough line, though, from where the rain trails off on the radar, there actually has been some light sprinkly showers, even just offshore. It could see a couple of those scrape the coast this morning, but most of us are going to stay dry. It's cloudy across the entire valley, but as you go farther north in the state, the clouds have already broken up. There's an area of high pressure that's going to be working to the south, and I think slowly but surely our clouds are going to be breaking up as the day goes on as well. Again, the last chance we're seeing a stray sprinkle along the coast, probably 9, 10 o'clock this morning. As you can see, most of us are going to stay dry. And I do think that as we get into the afternoon, 2, 3 o'clock, we're looking at partly cloudy skies, some decent sun coming around, but with winds out of the north and very cold temperatures up to our north, not a huge warm up. We're looking at highs today only in the low 50s, and because it's going to be breezy, not even feeling that warm, more like the mid 40s. Still partly to mostly clear skies early this evening, but then the clouds start coming back. That high pressure just very temporarily moving in, and then it'll probably be mostly cloudy to start the day tomorrow. But I do think it's going to be a dry start and still cold. Temperatures are going to be in the upper 30s tomorrow morning. Still dry in the early afternoon, but by the late afternoon, a stray shower or two is possible. Maybe a little better chance of rain in the evening. Not a ton of rain, and the best chance is going to be in Cameron and Willacy County. A little warm front coming in will trigger some showers for us, and then significantly warmer temperatures on Thursday. Now, when you look at rain for the next 7 days, there's a possibility of some flash flooding once again in California for the next couple of days. And then another system could bring severe weather to the southeast again, something they don't want to hear about, and possibility of flooding there. But for us, no severe weather threat the next 7 days and no heavy rains the next 7 days. I do think everybody will ultimately see some light showers, but it may not be until Sunday night into Monday. I actually think our next good chance of rain is not until next Monday. Until then, some very small rain chances, and our rainfall amounts, even when you factor in that Monday chance of rain, all staying under a ½ inch, so no big rains anytime soon. Skies will gradually become mostly sunny today. It's going to be a cold one with highs around 51, wind chills in the mid 40s because we're still going to be seeing gusts around 20 miles per hour. Mostly cloudy for much of the day, but again, I think by the late afternoon we'll have those mostly clear skies. And though we'll start mostly clear, the clouds already coming back tonight, so we'll eventually see skies become mostly cloudy. Going to be cold, not quite as cold as last night. Upper 30s will be what we're going to be common across the valley, but even with just a wind around 5 miles per hour, it'll feel a little bit colder, mid 30s, but I do not anticipate a wind chill advisory being issued because we're not going to have the wind chills in the low 30s and upper 20s like we're seeing this morning. So that's the start of our gradual warming trend. Notice here, 60 for tomorrow on your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. Again, some showers in the afternoon and evening ahead of the warm front, and you know the warm front is getting here because we don't cool down very much for Wednesday night, and then we're back in the upper 70s on Thursday, and the warm-up is not done yet. How about the mid 80s for Friday? It does look dry Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and during the day Sunday. If winds shift out of the southwest on Saturday, that's our warmest direction, and that could cause temperatures to spike in the low 90s on Saturday ahead of our next cold front, which will arrive on Sunday. Actually, the front will probably get here without any rain, but on the back side of it, it stalls out. A little wave of low pressure develops, and we could see some showers develop for Sunday night into Monday. It will cool us down, but this cold front, nothing like the last one, only into the mid to low 80s. More news in just a bit.